welcome to Empowering Movement and Memory class. So let's get warmed up, sitting forward in the chair, and let's get those shoulders just up, back, and down. Just get those shoulders moving, up, back, and down. Good. And up, back, and down. Take some deep breaths as you do that. Just inhale when the shoulders come up. Exhale when they come back and down. And inhale when they come up. And exhale when they come down. Let's do a few more of those. Up with those shoulders. Think about your posture. Get those shoulders back. Squeezing the back muscles together when you bring the shoulders around. And one more time. Up and back and down. All right. We're going to start with arms and legs. Just coming out. Extend those legs. And 8 and 7 and 6 and 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's reach up and down and left and down and right and down and left. One more with the right, one more with the left. Let's extend those legs again. Out and cross. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's open those legs a little bit. Getting that right arm down the center, looking out, and then bringing it up. And reach, and then come down, and reach, and come down, and reach. One more time. Down the center, and up. Left hand reaches up, down the center, and come up. And down the center, and come up, and down. One more, up, and down. All right, we're going to take those elbows just out to the side. Just move right, center, left, center, right, center, left, center, right, center, left. One more to the right. Get those elbows back, and left, back to center. All right, let's get those feet back together. Lifting those knees now. Right knee up and down. Left knee. Let's add a leg extension to that. Lift, extend, knee, and down. Left knee up, extend it, knee, and down. Right knee up, extend, knee, together, and left, extend, knee, back together. Right, extend it, knee, and left, extend, knee. One more right, lift, extend, knee, and left, extend, knee, and down. All right, let's just tap those toes. And now tap the heels up and down. All right, and then up and down. Alternate. Good. And then up and down, let's get moving, all right? All right, let's sit forward in that chair. We're going to do about 4 sits to stands, all right? All the time when we're doing that, we're going to protect the knees and the back, so shift the weight back to the heels. Lift the glutes if you need the arms, that's okay, and bring yourselves up. Try to keep those knees apart. Make sure that chair has not moved, and lower yourself back down, keeping your eyes forward. Knees stay apart, all right? Let's shift again. Lift and come up. Good. And then lower yourself back down. And we're going to do 2 more of those, all right? Shift, lift the glutes, bring yourselves up. Good. And then lower back down, keeping your eyes forward. One more time. Shift, lift, and up. And we're going to stay up this time. Let's go to the back of the chair, all right? All right, we'll get those legs and hips moving. All right. First thing we're going to do is a side leg raise, all right? And while we do that, let's just go ahead and count by 3s, probably up to as far as we can go for a little while, okay? I'll stop when we're ready, all right? Right leg, let's do 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. All right, let's do the left leg now, starting backwards by 3s from 30, all right? 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15,
12, 9, 6, 3, 0.
How about a 0? All right, let's rock up on the toes, back on the heels, up on the toes, back on the heels. Now my leg, my right foot is going to come at an angle. I'm going to do a side leg raise, but it's at about a 45-degree angle, all right? And my left foot is forward, all right? So let's do 8 of those. 8, 7, and 6, and 5, 4, it gets into the hip, 3, and 2, and 1. Now put that right foot forward. Left foot is at an angle. And 45-degree lift. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now that right leg is going to go straight back 8 times, all right? 8, 7, looking out, 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now the left leg is going to go straight back. 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, let's go to the right side of the chair now, all right? What I'm going to do is get my right toe in front and to the side, and then back behind, and then back together, all right? Left hand can be on that chair for support, and let's take that right toe going forward, side, back, together. Soften that left knee a little bit so you're more stable, and back together, and front, side, back, and together, and front, side, back, and together, and front, side, back, together, front, side, back, together, front, side, let's do one more, and front, side, back, together. Let's move to the left side of the chair now. I'm standing on that right leg now. Just soften that knee just a little bit. Left foot is front, side, back, together, and front, side, back, together, forward, side, back, together, front, side. Try to keep your eyes up and together, and front, side, back, together, and front, side, back, together. One more, front, side, back, together. All right, back to the right side of the chair now. Now we're going to do 4 marches, then lift and lift, that same knee, all right? So it's just right, left, lift, lift. Right, left, lift, lift. Right, left, lift, lift. Right, left, lift, lift. Right, left, lift. One more time. Right, left, lift, and lift. Let's try the other side, okay? Left side. I'm going to march forward starting with my left foot now, all right? So left, right, lift, lift. Left, right, lift, lift. Left, right, lift, lift. Left, and lift, lift. Left, right, lift, lift. Left, right, one more time, and left, right, lift, and lift. All right, back to the right side of the chair, all right? All right, left foot we're going to balance on, all right? I'm going to lift that right knee. I'm going to bring my arm out, and then up, and out, and down, all right? So lift, out, up, out, and down. and lift, out, up, out, and down, and lift, out, up, out. One more. Lift, out, up, out, and down. All right, other side. I'm going to stand on the right leg and lift that left, okay? Lift, out, up, down, and lift, out, up, and down, and lift, out, up, and down, and lift, out, up, and down. One more. Lift, out, up, and down. All right, let's sit down and take a break for water, and we'll resume. All right, we are now going to do our wheel. This is a fall prevention technique. So we're just going to start with that right foot. Forward right, forward left, angle front right, angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left, forward right, roll that foot, heel toe, left, angle front right, angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left, forward right, forward left, angle front right, angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left, forward right, forward left, angle front right, angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left, forward right. Make sure you're putting your whole weight on that foot when a foot goes down. Angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left, forward right, forward left, angle front right, angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left, forward right, forward left, angle front right, angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left, forward right, forward left, angle front right, angle front left, side right, side left, angle back right, angle back left, straight back right, straight back left. All right, let's go to the right side of the chair, and we're going to touch, lift, touch, lift. While we're doing this, how about saying the months of the year forward? All right, ready? January,
May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
All right, now we're going to attach a number to it. We're going to say 1 January, 2 February. All right, ready? 1.
January, 2, February, 3, March, 4, April, 5, May, 6, June, 7, July, 8, August, 9, September, 10, October, 11, November, 12,
December. All right, let's go to the other side, all right? And we're going to just tap and lift. That knee comes forward. Let's do the same thing with this leg. We're going to say the months of the year, just the months, forward. Ready? January,
February,
March, April,
June, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
All right, now we're going to add that number to it, all right? So 1, January,
2, February, 3, March, 4, April, 5, May, 6, June, 7, July, 8, August, 9, September, 10, October, 11, November, 12, December.
All right, anybody feeling that? All right, let's go back to the right side, all right? We are going to touch forward and back. Just touch, touch. We're going to not go to the side, all right? Now we're going to do the months of the year backwards, starting with December. Ready? December,
November, October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January.
all right. Should we attach a number to it now? Sure. All right. Are you ready?
December
November 12, November
11, October 10, September 9, August 10,
July 7,
6,
May
5, April 4, March 3, February 2, January 1.
All right, let's try the other side, all right? And we're going to go backwards with the number, or well, first of all, just backwards without the numbers. Starting with December, ready? December, November, October,
September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January.
all right, now we're going to add that number to it, starting December 12, all right? December 12.
November 11, October 10, September 9, August 8, July 7, June 6, May 5, April 4, March 3, February 2, January 1.
All right, back behind the chair. Much better on that left side, right? All right, now we're just going to do some little tiny squat. All we're going to do is come down and up, bringing those hips back, looking out, all right? And while I'm going to ask you a question, all right? What is the 5th month?
May.
What's the 8th month?
August.
Good. The 1st month?
January.
The 11th month?
November.
6th month?
June.
9th month?
September.
And the 10th?
October.
2nd?
February.
All right, you guys are good. All right, let's take another break, getting some water, all right? Have a All right, everybody's got a ball right now. And what we're going to do is we're going to sit up in that chair first, and let's just roll that ball forward, all right? And then backwards, all right? And let's put that ball over the right shoulder, to the lap, left shoulder, to the lap, right, and left, and right, and left. Let's open those knees and let's get a little lower this time. Right shoulder down the middle. Now while we're doing this, look around the room. What do you see that's round? Just yell it out.
The clock.
Mm-hmm. The balls. Uh-huh.
Water bottle.
Yes. How about the wheels on those walkers that I see? Some of you have round eyeglasses. What else do you see that's round? Yes?
Some of us have round eyeballs.
That's right. Eyeballs. A couple more of these. One
The
more.
ends of the weights.
Yes, the ends of the weights. All right, let's put those feet a little bit closer together. Let's roll that ball forward and then roll it back, all right? I want you to think about that exercise band that's hanging on the mirror. What could you use that for besides exercise?
Big bow for your hair.
Oh, okay. That's- Yep. Yes.
Slingshot.
I like the slingshot idea.
I like the slingshot idea, yes.
Toy. A belt.
Mm-hmm.
Around your waist.
Yeah. Anything else you could think of that exercise band could be used for? Uh-huh.
A leash for a dog.
Oh, okay.
Gag.
All right, one hand to the other. Look around the room again. I want you to say anything you see that's a square, a complete square, not a rectangle.
Dirt tiles in the ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
That window there on the right, that water cooler,
Okay.
heater there.
Okay. Anything else you can think of?
The light, things around the light.
Okay.
Ceiling tiles.
All right. Okay, let's toss again. All right. Let's toss it up and down. All right. All right. Now we're going to put that ball between the heels of your feet. Okay. And we're going to lift up and we're going to come down. And we're going to lift up and we're going to come down. And we're going to lift up and down and lift up. Anything you see in the room now that is plaid?
Shirt.
Okay. Yes, a shirt. Yours is plaid, yes. All right. How about stripes?
Well, her shirt there.
Yeah, we got some striped shirts in here. Right. Okay. Anything that's red? Yeah. Yep.
The straps, what do we call them?
Oh, those exercise bands with the handles, correct, yeah.
Rosemary sweatshirt.
Yep, okay. All right, let's lift one more time, and now what we're going to do is get up out of the chair with that ball between the heels of your feet. Remember how we do that. We shift, lift, and we get ourselves up as best you can, all right? Use the arms if you need it. Make sure that chair's still there, and lower yourself back down, all right? Good, and let's do that one more time with that ball between the heels of your feet. Shift, lift, keep those knees apart, and then bring yourselves up. Good. And then lower yourself back down. All right, let's put that ball between the calves of your legs, okay? And Squeeze, all right? And squeeze, and squeeze, and squeeze. Good. And squeeze, and squeeze. 2 more times. Squeeze and squeeze. Now we're going to get ourselves up out of the chair with the ball between the calves. Shift and lift, and let's bring ourselves up, right? And then lower yourselves back down. Good, and let's do that again. Shift and lift, and bring yourselves up. Good job. And you want to make sure, let's do that one more time, that the weight is on the heels of your feet. That protects your knees, all right? So shift, lift, and bring yourselves up. Nice. All right, sitting back down, let's put that ball above the knees, between your thighs this time, all right? And we're going to squeeze and release, and squeeze and release, and squeeze. You're sitting nice and tall with perfect posture, right? Squeeze and release, and squeeze and release, and squeeze and release, and squeeze and release. One more time. Squeeze. Now we're going to get up out of that chair again. Shift the weight to the heels of your feet. Lift. Bring yourselves up. Good. And then lower yourself back down. Good. And shift and lift and bring yourselves up. All right? One more time. Lower yourself back down and shift, lift, and come up. All right. Okay, let's take that ball now and just hold it in your hands. All right? What I'm going to do is simply come to the right and left and right. I'm going to give you a saying, and the saying that I'm going to give you was from Helen Keller, all right? And it says, you can totally do this. Let's say that together. You can totally do this. Now, can you say it backwards?
This is totally.
Oh, let's say it forward again, all right? You can totally do this. Backwards. This. Do. Totally can you. All right, that was better. Let's toss again, all right? All right, let's try one more of those, all right? Let's see. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Forward. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. How about backwards? There. You're. Can. You believe. Oh, let's do that again. In the meantime, put that ball on your right leg. And we're going to lean forward. So let's say it forward again. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Backwards. There. You're. Can. You believe. Oh, let's do that one again. Let's do that forward again. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Backwards. There. Halfway. You're. Can. You believe. All right. Hard one. All right. One more with this. Use that body weight. All right. Okay. Hands. Just move it forward. Rotate that ball. All right. Coming forward, and then coming backwards. Good. And then coming to the chest, all right? Keep those feet apart. I'm going to reach up at an angle and come down, all right? Just forward at an angle and come down. And come forward at an angle and come forward. And back to the chest. One more of those. All right, now opening those legs, I'm going to come to the chest and down, and chest, and down, and I'm looking out the whole time, and down, and coming up, and back down, and up, and hinging forward. One more time, up, and hinging forward. All right, let's just put those balls aside for a minute. If you want to put it behind you on your back, you can massage your back a little bit. That makes a nice little massage on the back. All right. Or you can put it on the floor, whatever you like. What I'd like us to do is get forward in that chair. I'm going to concentrate on the abs a little bit, all right? I'm just going to lift. You might want to put the ball on the floor. It might bring you too far forward. So just lifting that right knee, and I'm going to put it down, and lifting that left knee. I'm bracing my abs a little bit, and coming down, and lift, 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 and down. Right knee up, and down, left knee up, and down. Now we're going to use the right knee and the left arm again, reaching up and down, and lift, and down, and lift, and down, and lift, and down, and lift, and down. One more. All right, now I'm going to use the same arm and leg. Right knee, right arm, and down, left knee, left arm, and down, right knee, right arm, and down, left knee, left arm, and down, right knee, right arm, and left knee, left arm. All right, now I'm going to say, if I say right knee, right arm, you're going to raise your left knee, left arm. If I say left knee, left arm, you're going to raise your right knee, right arm. Okay? Everybody ready?
Yes.
Right knee, left arm. I'm sorry, right knee, right arm. I said it wrong. Left knee, left arm. Good. Left knee, left arm. Right knee, right arm. Left knee, left arm. Left knee, left arm. Right knee, right arm. Right knee, right arm. Right knee, right arm. Left knee, left arm. All right. Okay, let's stretch out a little bit. Let's open those legs. I'm just going to reach out over those knees, leaning forward. Coming out, and then coming up, and coming out over those knees, and coming up. One more time, leaning forward, and then come up and release. Let's put those feet a little bit closer together. Right foot's out. Let's point and flex that foot. Try to get that leg extended as much as you can. And then circle that ankle. And the left wrist circle the opposite way from your ankle. And then reverse that. All right, bring it back. Left foot. Let's point and flex. Point and flex. And circle that ankle. Whatever way that ankle's going, the right wrist goes the opposite way. And then reverse that. And then bring it all down. Good. Let's reach up with those hands. Take a deep breath in. Exhale as you bring those arms down. And inhale, bring those arms up. And exhale as you bring those arms back down. Roll those shoulders back. Let's bring those arms up one more time. Big deep breath. Try to get it into the diaphragm. Then exhale. And one more of those. Take as deep a breath as you can. Inhale. And exhale, coming back down. The shoulders come back, all right? All right. Thank you so much for joining me today